we're going to try this between this tree and the tree down there going through a bush. You can see how I've got it lined up, front camera, back camera. And we're going to sync the, put on the QR code here to sync the cameras. That way we have complete sync. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is get that in front of there. It's so bright out I can't see. Let me see if I can see back here. I think that's it. And then we'll sync this one here. Oh, where are we? Okay, got that one synced. So they are in sync. What we have to do is start the recording, and we'll see where she goes, right? Okay. So we'll let her go here. You can let go of that, and then see how far she goes. Okay. Make it. Okay, we're gonna give it another shot here. Just 2 takes. Okay, here we go. Okay, I guess it didn't get quite to the tree, but pretty close. We got these pads here just in case, and you can see the trajectory going back, going through these leaves, and hopefully a success.